To all you Steven Universe fans out there, we're gonna show you guys something a bit exciting. Do you guys remember when Steven was at the age of 16, and well, and after the movie, they saw Alexa, stop. Hold on a sec. We noticed that Steven was turning pink in most of the episodes as a reason to solve his problems, but to be honest, his diamond powers are like going out of control. When he was a boy, he thought that rose quartz was his mother, but it was actually pink diamond in disguise the whole time. I mean, that is not the ending that I wanted to see. I always thought that rose quartz was a diamond rose quartz fusion that had pink diamond's DNA in it. But anyways, seeing him in action, seeing Steven in action, they had a lot of fun stuff. But in Steven Universe Future, we saw that Steven couldn't take his powers anymore, and he ended up transforming into a monster. And that's exactly who we're drawing today. As we all remember, Steven's monster form is corrupt, and basically, he takes on this form when he feels a meltdown. At least that's what I saw in that show. Honestly, it's like Steven's completely gone. We saw that creature in Steven Universe Future, and I thought it was one of Pink Diamond's pets. Who would have thought that? Alexa, play Steven Universe full theme.
Steven Universe theme song by Giant Woman on Amazon Music.
If you're evil and you're on the rise, you can count on the four of us.
Hold on.
Taking you down,
Alexa,
'cause we're good.
play Steven Universe full theme song by Steven Universe. Alexa, play Steven Universe theme song full theme by Steven Universe.
I don't
Alexa,
know that.
play Steven Universe full theme.
Here's Steven Universe theme song by Giant Woman on Amazon Music.
Alexa, play Steven Universe theme song by Steven Universe.
I couldn't find Steven Universe theme song by Steven Universe, but here is other music by Steven Universe.
Sorry about that, folks.
Well, let me get a look at the menagerie.
Alexa, play Steven Universe Volume 2.
Steven Universe, Volume 2 original soundtrack by Steven
Okay,
Universe.
so,
Amazon Music.
when drawing at this guy, you must draw spikes like spikes on his back. We know that Steven became corrupt during this episode, but that was the one time that we saw Steven in this form. I don't know when we're gonna see Steven again. Alexa, stop. But, we know that this monster has incredible strength, but, in retrospect, seeing this monster in action was actually... I'm starting to think that Steven might regain control of this monster one of these days. Alexa, play Just a Little Time by Steven Universe.
I couldn't find Just a Little Time by Steven Universe, but here is other music by Steven Universe.
This video goes out to all you Steven Universe fans out there.
This is God.
And if you ask me,
And I'm never going down.
we remember when Steven regained control when Connie managed to sync her heart with his. And seeing that part where they got through to him when Connie kissed him, that was something, right? It's like he's Connie's boyfriend or something, and he's Steven's girlfriend. If they ever have children, what's gonna happen to her? What's gonna happen to him? I mean, will the same thing happen again? Will he give up his physical form to give birth to his child or something? To let Connie give birth to his child or something? We don't know that for sure. We need to be positive. But gem biology is basically odd, but he's mostly made out of light. But he's a gem with a human skeleton. As we all know, they cannot both exist. He's gonna become... Rose became half of Steven because he became something extraordinary. Half man and half being. Half gem. That was something, right? We've seen lots of gems that look like Rose. Steven went through a lot of dilemma to deal with this form. When he had to deal against Jasper, when he saw gems rampaging through the streets, when they dealt with the lapis lazulis, and when he had to fight against against White Diamond in the past. Oh yeah, he looks like a dragon if you ask me. Not kind of like Dragonoid Colossus, but an awesome dragon without wings. Remember Obsidian? The Ultimate Fusion? Alexa, next song.
Take a moment to think of just flexibility, love, and trust.
There we go. Now, when drawing Steven, you must draw this gem in the center of his body.
That might alarm you, what someone said, and how it harmed you. Something you did that felt to be charming. Things that you say are suddenly swarming. And oh, you're losing sight, you're losing touch. All these little things seem to matter so much that they confuse.
There we go.
That I might lose you. Take a moment, remind yourself to take
There we go.
to find yourself. Take a moment to ask yourself if this is how we fall apart. But it's not, but it's not, but it's not, but it's not, but it's not. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. You got nothing, got nothing, got nothing, got nothing to feel.
Alexa, play Happily Ever After.
Happily Ever After by Steven Universe.
Now we just draw the tail.
Dee Dee Magno Hall and others on Amazon Music.
Here we are in the future.
And
Here we are in the future.
there we go.
And it's bright.
That is how you draw Steven Universe
No one to fight.
in his monster form.
I can't.
I know it's not what you expected, but I mean, this gem is big enough to take on any gem, like diamonds and other hybrids as well.
Always be in my mother's shadow, answering for her.
And well,
Thought I'd always be an endless.
I'm sure we'll see Steven again once he returns from his quest. I'm sure they'll run into the gems one of these days.
Oh my own.
And before we go, Alexa, why don't you tell us about Steven Universe?
Here's something I found on Wikipedia. Steven Universe Future is an American animated limited series created by Rebecca Sugar for Cartoon Network, and serves as an epilogue to the 2013 to 2019 original series Steven Universe.
It's base.
Okay.
Excuse
And
me.
Alexa, who is Steven Universe?
The boss.
And Alexa,
Yes.
who is Steven Universe? Alexa, who is Steven Universe?
Steven Universe is a YouTuber with 1,300,000 subscribers. Since creating their channel on June 30th, 2017, they have received 1,231,635,898 views on 485 uploads.
Okay, that's kind of odd, but not what I had in mind. Alexa, what is Steven Universe?
Steven Universe is an adventure show starring Zach Callison, Didi Mogno, and Michaela Dietz. A team of intergalactic warriors fights to protect the universe, but the combination of 3 highly trained beings and 1 quirky young boy leaves the team struggling to overcome the dangerous scenarios that are put in front of them. The series has an IMDb rating of 8.2 out of 10 and is rated TV PG.
Okay, I'm glad you guys got to watch this video, and we got to know a lot about the gems and Steven Universe. If you ask me, Steven is a positive and nice guy, and I'm pretty sure we'll get to see him again in one of the episodes in the next series of Steven Universe. I actually kind of miss Steven, and be sure to tell all your friends that we'll see Steven Universe and Rebecca Sugar again.
Hey, any idea what Amethyst is up to?
Sorry. Anyways, be sure to like and rock and subscribe on my Mewtwo channel, and don't let the monster inside you take you over. It has a heart of its own,
Careful, dude.
and it can be a good thing or a bad thing. Who knows?
Thanks, Amethyst.
Who cares? But
You're just in time.
we'll be happy to show you guys more Steven Universe characters real soon. So I'll see you guys in the skies. And
I'm on.
And the negativity will go away if you change your mind. Everything will be just
Who are
fine.
you?
So,
I love that all these gems
and,
want to make their new home on
please
Earth.
be
Wish I'd had this when I first
please be
emerged.
positive for the
Once
next series of
upon a
Steven
time,
Universe.
I burst to life